In the second part of this reproductive embryology, we will deal up with the early fetal development. In early fetal development, first we will know what is the early embryonic development. Then we will cover up according to the different weeks of the development. In early embryonic development, we need to know about some of this following. What happens if we look at the cross section of the ovary along with the fallopian tube? We will cover up from the day 0 to the 6th day or something around 10th day of the fertilization. So we will discuss about all the events that takes place from the entry of the sperm into the fallopian tube till the fertilization and the implantation of the zygote to the walls of the ovary. Now, in the early embryonic development, first there will be an ovulation. A matured ovum will be the one which will have presence of early corpus luteum, which will have presence of developing follicles. After ovulation, the ovum is released and that ovum will be nothing other than the secondary oocyte. The secondary oocyte will fertilize with the sperm, which occurs in the day 0. So the early embryonic development starts from the day 0, where there will be fertilization of the sperm along with the secondary oocyte. The number of chromosome here is 2n chromosome, which includes 4C or 4 chromatids or DNA copies. Then there is formation of the zygote. It's a day 1. In day 2 and 3, the zygote undergoes mitosis containing 2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells, and we had to remember that at the 4th day after fertilization, the zygote will turn into morula. Morula is nothing but it's a compact mass of the zygote filled with huge amount of cells. Number 5th, on the 5th day, there will be formation of blastocyst. What is meant by blastocyst is that the cells will start moving in the lower pole with a cavity. So there will be presence of a cavity along with a large number of cells. So that is known as blastocyst, that generally occurs at the 5th day of the development. From the 6th day to the 10th day of the fertilization, there will be implantation of this blastocyst into the endometrium of the uterus. So this was about the early embryonic development, which includes fertilization, zygote formation, division, multiplication of the cells resulting in formation of morula on the day 4th, and the formation of blastocyst on the 5th day, followed by implantation within 6th to 10th day of the fertilization. In the next video, we will be discussing about the week by week development, and we will cover from the 1st week to the 10th week of the development.